If y'all can see how crazy I look right now. I just finished. It's only, Alexa, what time? 2:01. It's only 2:01. I just finished the hot chocolate cupcakes. I have to count. I don't even know how much of everything I have. Banana pudding parfait, pumpkin parfait, stroopwafel cupcakes, strawberry cupcakes, Oreo cupcakes, and probably like five more parfaits there, crunch crumbs, some s'mores, the rest of the s'mores, the rest of the crunch crumbs. I have everything. Everything is already organized in the boxes for each event. Caramel apple upside down cakes, parfaits, and more parfaits. 36 parfaits in this box alone. I'm gonna do a count, and then I'm gonna try to get for 3 hours of sleep, 2 hours of sleep, and then I will be up. Totally didn't want to load up the car again by myself, but it's looking like that's what I'm doing. Setup starts in 30 minutes, so you know. Like the Hunchback in Notre Dame.
In 1 mile.
I think I've reached the Fall Fest, and I don't see any type of fest. It's just us and 2 other cars, and it's barely fall because there's ice all over the car.
It feels like winter.
I had the lights on just out of confusion. I don't know why. It's sunlight on. Oh, this looks like a blast. She's not answering. The lady that set this up isn't answering her phone. We're just gonna try these doors. We look so clueless. Because we are. This is turning into a soap opera. If she doesn't come and unlock the doors, I can't set up my table. Lady, if you're watching this, don't ask me to come to any more of your events. Okay, Cakenistas, let me fill you in on what is going on. So at the previous vendor event, a lady approached me and told me that she was having an event and she was looking for vendors. She asked if I would join, so I was like, sure. So this setup started at 7:30 a.m. I actually found a wonderful event taking place at a farm, and the setup for that started at 9 a.m. So my plan was to set up here and then let my mom handle this event while my sister and I handled the larger event at the other location. With that being said, I have 1 table, and I was going to save that one for the larger event because this lady was renting tables. However, the tables were all inside of the building. So when I show up to the event and the doors were locked, I'm like, oh no. Now, mind you, when I pulled up, one of the ladies from the previous event was there, and she recognized me, and she said that the lady who was throwing this event was not answering her phone. She just called me. Okay. Thank you. The lady ends up giving me a call and says that she was going to send someone right away to help me. So because I could not set up, I at least was going to put up my tent, and then we were going to wait for her. At this point, it's about 8:20 a.m. She is about 50 minutes late. I have nothing to do but dance. That was it. It's something else when you're sleepy, when you only have like an hour of sleep. You really can't do much, but the bare minimum So now it's just time to wait. It's almost time for me to get packed up for the next one. This is so stupid. Why is the event planner late for her own event? I can't. It's very ghetto here right now. I might say cancel this one, pick up another event for tomorrow at the mall, because this is crazy. It's supposed to start in 20 minutes. There's no way I could set up my table in 20 minutes. She's not here. Her husband or whoever isn't here who's supposed to be helping. And there's only 2 other vendors. There's only 2 other vendors here. So nobody's going to see 3 tents and be like, let me go over there. It's bopping. There's no way. This is like crazy. So I'm about to wrap it up. And just like that, it's time to go. And I went as fast as possible because the way life works, as I'm wrapping it up, she would be pulling in. And I did not want that to happen. I wanted her to be pulling in as I was pulling out. So we broke down in a matter of 5 minutes.
You want to put it in here?
I wish it was that fast to set up. We left those 2 vendors there. Sorry to those vendors. But we have to go. It's 8:50 and it's supposed to start in 10 minutes and she's just now pulling in. And she went and kind of parked in our spot, like to look at our spot, like wait.
Oh, did she really?
Yeah, she just kind of like pulled up where we were sitting just now.
How were you late to your own event? That's crazy. We waited for her for what, an hour?
Refund. Setup started at 7:30 for an hour and a half. So I'm gonna say hi again. Like, there's no way that we could have set up by 9 and then I could leave soon enough to go set up for the next event, which people are guaranteed to be at. We're supposed to be there at 9:45. So, and if there were more vendors, then we would have just worked it out. But there's 2 people there. There's no point. It's cold out, so I don't have to worry about the cakes melting. And worst comes to worst, I'll tell the lady at the mall that I'll pick up that spot for tomorrow and I'll sell the rest of everything at the mall. I need to sell it. Part 2. I am currently reloading the car. It is actually warming up quite nicely. It feels delicious out here right now. Loading up the car again because the second event has actual people supposed to be coming, like real people. They're going to hopefully be hungry. I'm putting all the rest of the cupcakes and parfaits, everything in the car. I requested a refund. All right, girl. I'm headed to the next event, but I'm driving past the one that I just left. And I want to see what it's looking like. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait till we get past these trees. Oh my goodness. Is that it? I think that's it. Look. Oh, snap, I almost hit the curb. Look. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Four little tables. I'm off to see the wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz, okay? Because that was redonkulous. And this is why promotion is so importante. Oh, I have to sneeze. I'm already sick and beat down and I didn't even do an event yet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm cracking up. Wanna know why I'm cracking up? That lady just texted me back. I will tomorrow. I'm busy here today. Girl, did we not just ride past and see that she had 0 customers. Like, what is she busy doing? Standing there? Feeling the breeze? You weren't doing anything but playing with the stuff on your table. I saw you. It's like she's trying to make me think that it's popping up in there. I'm busy. Girl, doing what? Counting the parking spaces that are in the lot. I met her one time and I got weird vibes. And I just feel like, you know, something was telling me when she asked me if I knew any other vendors. I got a red flag feeling. And then when she emailed me yesterday morning saying, here's my number in case you need it, and I had to respond saying, girl, we've been texting for the past 2 days, that was a red flag. So it's like, you know, you guys, Cakenistas, when you're out here doing your thing, just make sure to pay attention to those flags because they are there for a reason. I have 0 gas. I am literally on E. Oh Lord, time to pray. I'll be back.